students, we'll see with the second type of problem in radius of curvature for the polar curve. They are asking us to show that for the curve r into 1 minus cos theta equals to 2a. Rho square varies as r cube. Now when rho comes means it is understood it is radius of curvature. And if radius of curvature comes and if you observe this is a polar curve means you have to find for r1 and r2, right? So consider the given curve, mark it as equation number 1. And whenever polar curve comes, I have told you all to apply for log on both sides. So log of r into 1 minus cos theta is equals to log of 2a. That is log r plus log of 1 minus cos theta is equals to log 2a. Okay. Here I have applied log a into b. Log a plus log b is equals to log 2a. Equation number 2. Now differentiating both sides with respect to theta. Log r derivative is 1 by r into dr by d theta plus log u derivative 1 by u into differentiation of u. Differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Derivative of log 2a is 0. Hence 1 by r into dr by d theta minus of minus it is plus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta equals to 0. Are you going to write this as cot phi? No, we cannot write it. We are finding what? R1. So this you keep it as it is. Shift this term this side. So minus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So 1 by r you write it as it is. dr by d theta you write it as r1 minus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is the value for sin theta. And 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. So what we will get here? Cancelling out the terms, we are remained with minus cot theta by 2. I want r1, so shift this r this side. So r1 is equals to minus r into cot theta by 2. Mark this as equation number 3. After getting r1, what we are required? We are required with r2. So what I have to do? I will differentiate this equation both sides with respect to theta. What is the derivative of r1? It will be r2. R is a function of theta. Cot is a function of theta. Sign between them is into. So keep minus sign aside and apply u into v rule. U, that is r as it is. Derivative of cot theta by 2 is what? Cosec square theta by 2 with the negative sign. And what is the derivative of theta by 2? It is 1 by 2. Then keep cot theta by 2 as it is, derivative of r. Is it okay? So I will apply u into v rule now. So this becomes r2 equals to minus, and I told you to keep outside r as it is. Derivative of cot theta by 2 is what? Minus cosec square theta by 2 into 1 by 2, because coefficient of theta by 2 is how much? Theta is how much? 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2. In differentiation I told you whatever the coefficient of this variable is there must be multiplied. Okay. Plus cot theta by 2 as it is, derivative of r is r1. Okay. Now multiplying this minus sign inside, minus of minus it is plus r by 2. r1 is r upon 2 cosec square theta by 2. Minus into plus is minus r1 cot theta by 2. Substitute what is r1? r cot theta by 2 and cot theta by 2. Simplify minus of minus it is plus r cot square theta by 2. This is r2. Now consider the formula for radius of curvature in polar form. What it is given by? R square plus r1 square raised to 3 by 2 upon r square plus 2r1 square minus r into r2. So r square as it is plus r1 square minus r cot theta by 2 the square, because r1 is minus r cot theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2. R square as it is plus 2 times r1 is how much? Minus r cot theta by 2 the whole square. Minus r as it is, r2 is r by 2 into cosec square theta by 2 plus r cot square theta by 2. So r square plus r square cot square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus the square plus r square cot square theta by 2. Okay. R square as it is minus the square plus r square cot square theta by 2 times. Minus into plus minus r square by 2 cosec square theta by 2 minus into plus minus r square cot square theta by 2. Solving for the bracket it is. Okay. Taking r square common, how it will come out? It will come it as r square raised to 3 by 2. What is remaining inside? Here r square is removed out means 1. 1 plus cot square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2r square cot square theta by 2 minus r square cot square theta by 2 is what? R square cot square theta by 2. And this quantity will remain as it is. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. I am remain with r cube. 1 plus cot square theta by 2 is cosec square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2. R square taking common, 1 plus cot square theta by 2 minus r square by 2 cosec square theta by 2. That is 1 plus cot square is how much? It is cosec square theta by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Cosec cube is remaining. Here now r square cosec square theta by 2 I will take common. I am remained here with here, or you can take LCM. Okay. That is 1 by 2 will remain. So r cube cosec cube theta by 2 upon r square upon 2 cosec square theta by 2. Okay. So this step you can take r square cosec square theta by 2 common and solve it. Okay. You will remain with 1 by 2. When you multiply, you will get r square by 2 into cosec square theta by 2. After getting that, we are going to now cancel out the terms, and this 2 numerators, denominator will come in the numerator. 2 of the r's will get cancelled. 2 of the cosecs will get cancelled. I am remain with 2 cosec theta by 2. Okay, into r. So this is what I am getting the solution here. 1 r will get cancelled. 2 r's will get cancelled. 1 r is remaining. 2 cosecs will get cancelled. And this denominator is remained with 1 by 2. This will go above, so it will become 2r cosec theta by 2. So now I will try to eliminate theta. So what is theta here? How to eliminate? Consider the given curve. What is the given curve now? It is r into 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2a. R as it is, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 equals to 2a. 2 will get cancelled. R into sin square theta by 2 is equals to a. So sin square theta by 2 is equals to a by r. So sin theta by 2 is equals to root of a by r. I want what? Cosec. Can we get cosec from this? Yes. Cosec theta by 2 is equals to root of r by a. So substituting here, simplifying. Root r means it is that is root r by a. I'll split it and I'll get r raised to 1 by 2, a raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So here I have to square on both sides. When I am squaring, rho square is equals to 4 r square. When I square this, 2 will get cancelled. I am remained with r, right, divided by a. R square into r, it is r cube. Okay. Here 4a is acting as a constant, so it can be treated as a proportionality constant, and we can say rho square is directly proportional to r cube. Can you tell me why I have used rho square? Why did I square over here? Okay. Why it is? Because here in the question they have told us that to show that rho square varies as r cube. So I have squared and I have shown that it varies as r cube. Varies, if they say, means directly proportional. Okay, radius of curvature, that is directly proportional to the radius vector. Is it okay? So this way we are going to show sure one question for the exam. Thank you.